For me, I think a cocktail in Jamaica should be tropical. A little peach, some orange juice, some pineapple, bit of lime, and rum. Just the look of it says you're somewhere special. I've been working as a bartender for over 20 years. I know the names of all my guests. But when they come back and remember my name, so wow, it's a wonderful feeling. Then I know I've done something special. I've made an impression on them, and that feels good. Crafting the perfect cocktail is my gift to you. It's what I do. It's my way of saying, welcome home. Even if it's your first time in Jamaica.